What is up, everyone? It's the Wizzerdrix, the daily random pack opening channel. Another day, another pack. Spin the wheel, and see what we crack. Hope it's not War of the Spark again. Getting kind of cursed by that set. Just barely missed it. I was getting kind of worried. We got Core Set 2020, which that may be more cursed. Core Set 2020, released July 12th, 2019, thankfully. Just like most core sets, it's fairly simplified. It doesn't add any new mechanics or anything like that. Core sets are made as a jumping point for new players to get into the game. Most cards have fairly simple card design and do simple things, but there's also more powerful cards for the more seasoned players. There's a really cool elemental tribal theme with this set. It's not really big, but it's still pretty cool. Notable cards are Field of the Dead, Soren Imperious Bloodlord, Omnath Locus of the Royal, Ajani Strength of the Pride, Yark the Desecrated, Vela Summer, and one of my favorite 5-color commanders, Golos, Tireless Pilgrim. Let's not waste any more time and get to cracking the pack. We have Inspired Charge, Octoprophet, Scorch Spitter, Brightwood Tracker, Epicure of Blood, Agonizing Siphon. It's really cool artwork. Healer of the Glade, another card that I think is pretty underrated in Pauper. For 1 green, you get a 1/2, which is already above curve. It's an elemental. It's pretty nice with the elemental support. When it enters the battlefield, you gain 3 life. Very nice. Don't underestimate the small life gain that Pauper can get. Because against Burn, you can just outrace him and stabilize and win. Cloud Conceer, Destructive Digger, Griffin Protector. For our uncommons, we have Master Splicer, Gravedigger, Goblin Ringleader, a really nice reprint. It really did need the reprint. For 3 colorless and 1 red, you get a 2/2 Goblin with haste. When it enters the battlefield, reveal the top 4 cards of your library. Put all Goblin cards revealed this way into your hand and the rest onto the bottom of your library in any order. Which is great because Goblins are known to being able to cheat out their creatures for cheap. Under a rare, nice. We got Gargus, Vicious Watcher. So 3 colorless, 3 green, legendary creature Hydra. It's an 8/7 Vigilance. Oh, that's pretty crazy on its own. Hydra spells you cast cost 4 less to cast. When a creature you control becomes the target of a spell, Gargus Vicious Watcher fights up to 1 target creature you don't control. This card is all around fun, because most Hydras have X in the cost. And even if you're reducing the cost, it goes towards X. So let's say you have 6 mana you can put into X, and you have Gargus out, that X goes to 10. That's really nice. It's an all-around pretty fun card. Do a foil? Nope. Not getting luck on that foil stuff. And an elemental token. I could be wrong on this too, but I think Core Set 20 introduced the new token frame. I'm glad they switched it up because it was getting kind of boring with the old frame. The new frame is really nice. And as always, I'm going to set up the pack one, pick one. As in, if you're in a draft and this is the first pack you cracked open, what would be the first card you pick and why? This is definitely an interesting one because Master Splicer is really nice. Cloud Concealer is also great. Also a Hailer of the Glade. Because if you draft elementals in this format, things can get wild really fast. Though Gargus is just a big beastic on his own, you don't really care about that ability. They could somehow get 2 Garguses, that'd be kind of funny. They just kill you, just slap down another one. Pretty torn on this one, actually. I think I'd go with Gargus. Because having a nice beastic like that is pretty nice. I like it. And I played enough elemental for my fill with the set. But anyways, let me know what your pack one, pick one is and why. This is definitely an interesting pack for pack one, pick one for sure. So even Gravedigger's nice. And anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Every little bit of support goes a really long way, and I appreciate every single one of you that watched the video. Until next time, see you in the next video.